InSkill is ready to use on your device. Let's begin with the product. When issues arise, InSkill AI is ready to assist in troubleshooting by alarm, stop code, or just by the symptom. For this demo, let's say we have a pump that delivers too little water. Let's ask about the issue. We can enter, the pump is delivering too little water. What can I do? InSkill copilots understand that there are different configurations out there and that different configurations require different procedures. We can help the AI by entering the model. The AI now has the context it needed and can answer our question. It has not only returned a detailed procedure for us to follow, but has also returned references for us to look at. InSkill is also capable of having your device information stored within an asset. We can open the asset for our pump, and the copilot will already be primed with knowledge about this device's configuration. We can ask questions such as, how do I perform a pump inspection? The AI returns a detailed response on how to resolve this issue, and a video to help follow. The video is linked to the relevant timestamp, allowing workers to quickly jump in exactly where they need to be. All responses are role-aware, ensuring that workers are only doing tasks they have the skill sets to complete. If necessary, Copilot can escalate if something requires a specialized skill set. In addition to the device's Copilot, workers can access resources, tasks, device history, and configuration information. Resources are documents such as product manuals, parts lists, or repair manuals that the GPT sources their answers from. Tasks are predetermined procedures input by experts that guide the user step by step. History is a record of the procedures the device has run or questions the operator has asked. Configuration shows the device's current data along with its configuration. InSkill copilots are the ideal way for workers to access knowledge they need and solve issues with the equipment as they come up. Visit inskill.ai to learn more and start building copilots for your equipment today.